In this video, we demonstrate the complete cell analytics process in the cell inventory application used for battery cell monitoring, traceability, and performance analysis. First, open the cell analytics section in the application. Now, enter or scan the cell barcode in the barcode section and click on Load Cell Info. Once the barcode is loaded, the application automatically retrieves and displays all the information related to that particular battery cell. The system first displays the cell barcode number along with the current status of the cell. Here, the status indicates whether the cell is ready for testing, ready for grading, assigned in a battery pack, or available in inventory. Next, the application shows the storage location of that particular cell, helping operators quickly identify where the cell is physically stored inside the inventory system. After that, the system displays the basic information of the cell, including cell format, cell capacity, last operator name, and the check-in date and time. The application then shows the initial measurement details of the cell, including initial IR value and initial OCV value. Next, the testing data section displays the complete testing information of the cell collected during the cell testing process. This includes number of testing cycles performed, average charge capacity, average discharge capacity, final IR value, and final OCV value. These testing details help in analyzing the overall health, stability, and performance consistency of the battery cell. Finally, the activity timeline section displays the complete workflow history of that particular cell inside the inventory system. This timeline records all major activities performed on the cell, including testing, grading, inventory updates, and pack assignment processes. Using the cell analytics feature, operators can easily monitor the complete life cycle of every battery cell, maintain proper traceability, track testing history, and improve quality control during battery pack manufacturing and research applications.